Hi. In this video, you will see regarding the overview of the select statement. So, select statement we use to retrieve the data from the database, okay, where available like in the tables or views. Okay, so we can retrieve means we can write the select statement, okay, from UI, or we can use CLI, or we can use any Python program from anywhere you are trying to write select statement. Okay, we can use all these classes. We can use literals. We can use aliases for the column. If you want some more aliases means one column is coming from the database, you want to rename it. Okay, we can use aliases. We can use operators in where class, where we can use apply some conditions, means filter out unwanted data. Okay, so everything we are going to discuss one by one each topic. Okay, from class we have to tell from which table you want to retrieve the data. Here we can project all the columns or required column. Required column means this is nothing but whatever the data take, whatever the data you are retrieving from empty table, and we are projecting with required column or all columns. We are projecting your data. Okay. Where class we are giving the conditions here means we are there is nothing but here filtering indirectly where class in the sense you are just here only selecting the data. You are selecting the data means in EMP table I have so many departments like where department number is equal 30. I want only department number 30 records only I want means indirectly these particular records I'm selecting. Indirectly I'm filtering unwanted record like department number 10, 20, 40, 50 records. I'm just filtering out. Only I'm selecting department number 31. That is. So selection will happen in where class using the conditions and projection we will do like this with required columns with all columns and order by whatever the output is giving select statement we can order by means based on the ascending or descending or we can do uh, later we can do group by. Group by means like whatever the data is we are selecting on top of that one I want to do some averages like average or minimum max. Okay, like this if you want to do any group by operation then we can use group group by and having it on top of the group by. Again, you want to filter on the groups, then you can use having limit means whatever the select statement is giving output on top that assume this one is giving 100 uh, records. Out of that, I want only 10 records. Okay, using the limit we can do qualify the new function in the Snowflake okay, where we can write directly. We can filter it out records. Okay, using this one we can avoid subqueries and top also will give just records. Okay, whatever the required like I want top 5 records. Okay, from the selection, yeah, whatever the selecting the data, yes, it will give. With the class is nothing but it will create like another temporary table it will create. Okay, we'll discuss more uh, in separate video regarding this class. This is very important. Okay. So literals means some information is not available in the database, but while projecting the data, I want to give like some text, like account ID. If you take bank account details, right? Uh, some so and so account ID 12222233 is credited some 1,000 rupees. Okay, is credited. It won't available in the database. Only account number, this uh, amount, these two columns are available. This you want to project like this. Okay, how we can do using the literals. Yeah. So in the next video, we'll see. We'll take each class and we will see different examples in them. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.